And thank you for joining me today. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US, and I've got a little sneak peek for you today for our February 2025 Cultivated Creativity DIY Paper Crafting Kit. So, every single month, we curate an amazing kit full of fantastic products from Stampin' Up! So that you can enjoy the crafting process. We deliver this straight to your door. We handle the design, the research, the prep, so you can dive straight into that beautiful crafting. Creating those meaningful projects, saving you both time and money, right? It's super convenient. You just open and you start creating. There's optional value of adding on our featured stamp set. It gives you flexibility. You can use our featured stamp set or you can use what you have at home. And you're going to create some amazing projects, right? So let me show you what we're featuring for this month. So this month is going to feature the Linked Together bundle. So this is a stamp set, die, and decorative mask bundle. So all three come in this bundle when you make this purchase. And of course, we have an opportunity for you to add this on at retail price. So that's amazing, right? And I also wanted to point out, because the decorative masks are in there, we're going to be doing techniques with the decorative masks, but we've also included in this month's kit a jar of embossing paste. So if you've not played with this yet, you're going to have a little bit of fun with some embossing paste as well. So all kinds of goodies in store for you this month. So we actually designed 4 cards and a giftable this month. And I want to show you a quick peek. Now, one thing about our projects is that we do the insides as well. I'm not going to show you that because I don't want to spoil it for our participants, but we make sure that the insides of the cards are completed as well, because that adds a nice special touch, I think, right? So we've got this one, which really features those decorative masks with some blending techniques. Then we're going to add in a little bit of embossing paste on this one. This one's a fun fold. We have our giftable project right here. I'm not going to tell you what's inside. We also include the gift that goes inside the container when we do a giftable. And then we've got some more fun ways of using those decorative masks and the blending brushes. And we're even going to do some embossing. I don't know if you can see it well with this, but we're going to do some embossing with our decorative masks to add some texture to our projects. So many great things. I hope that you will decide to join us. There's information in the video description below. And if you've got any questions, just let me know. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.